What's going on, guys? Another day, another M1K video. And today, we're going into the rat race to take her to the dealer. These pieces came in carbon from Ilmberger. And man, I'm excited. That's the finishing touches on this bike. And she is gonna be looking good. So let's get to it. Guys, I feel like a stuffed turkey. I've got some underlayers and thick gloves and you know, all this stuff going on, and I am so stiff. The grip warmers are going up, and I am so glad I'm not on the single. It is so windy. So tempting to hammer it. I can't handle it, man. You know, the problem with this bike is it's so good that you just want to fly everywhere because you can. And it can do it, no problem. Like, you aren't pushing the bike anyway. People, yeah. The world's worst Oklahoma roads. You're on an interstate for some reason. Look at all this. Those are all holes. Ah. Like, it's getting to the point I would dip and dodge between them, but you can't anymore. They're just everywhere. Hey, he's not here for me. That's the best, when you see him just go past you. Thank you. We made it. Oh yes. Oh man, look at that tail. Oh, that looks so good. I love this bike. Exhaust is turning.
have to open my helmet vents back up. It's actually turned out to be a nice day. It's freezing earlier. At least that person saw me. That's nice of them. I was gonna let him go, but maybe there's my boy. You know, this is just a happy little bike. People say that BMWs don't have personalities, and I'm here to tell you their personality is they're agreeable. It's the happy dog or the good horse that it's just an absolute thoroughbred, but you can trust it completely. And it's always going to do what you want it to and what you ask it to. Whereas kind of the ducks are more of a wild card, but when people say these bikes are boring, I hear that and I kind of think, I don't know, it might be you, bud. You might be boring, because I've never been bored on an M1000RR. I don't even know if it's possible. So we'll take a little closer look at this bike when we get back to the house, but real quick, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who subscribed and who watches and likes the videos and all that stuff, man. Like, I love talking with you guys. Y'all are so cool. I've made actual friends off of this channel, and that's the sort of stuff that makes it worth it, you know, whether you have 100,000 subscribers or 2, you know. So thanks for watching, thanks for sticking with me, and I'd love to meet a lot of you guys someday. I've met a few, but that's the best part, man, is enjoying these with friends and people who love them too.
Alright guys, well here she is. Came out amazing, beyond my expectations with this. I kind of had an idea when I bought it what I wanted to do, but just seeing it in person is such a treat. And I tried to be pretty tasteful with everything. Like, I didn't want to go too crazy. And there was just so much carbon on this thing that, you know, it seemed like something that, well, put the rest of the carbon, and that was the frame covers, the tail obviously, and the belly pan extension. You can kind of see that there. But as far as sport bikes, guys, this is easily my favorite bike. It just does everything, and it does it so well. And I love how it looks, how it rides, especially once I did the Öhlins. It's just perfect. For what I do and what I like, it's perfect. And so let's get a little closer view of the tail here. So there's 3 pieces on the M1000 tail. There's a center piece, a lower piece, and the top piece. The top piece is still OEM. But you can kind of see the lower piece maybe down there. Also did the tucked bracket. I think that really cleaned things up. Yeah, guys, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you subscribing. There's going to be a lot more of this beautiful bike on this channel. And until next time, stay safe. Peace.